One party split. How does election commission decide who gets the symbol? How does the election commissionerate of India decide who gets the symbol of when the very identity of a party and its fundamental connection with voters when parties split? The Election Commission of India ECI has frozen the bungalow election symbol of the Lok Jan Shakti Party LJP so that neither of the two factions of the party led by Chirag Paswan, son of the late Ram Vilas Paswan, and Pasupati Kumar Paras, the senior Paswan brother, will be able to use it in the coming assembly by-elections for the Kuswer, Asthan and Tarapur seats in Bihar. Polling is scheduled for October 30. The Commission has said that neither of the two groups shall be permitted to use the name of the party, Lok Jan Shakti Party Simpliciter. They shall be known by such names as they may choose, and they shall be allotted such different symbols as they may choose from the list of free symbols. The LJP split in June this year after 5 of the party's 6 MPs, Paras, Chaudhry Mehboob Ali Skaisar Khagaria, Veena Devi Vaishali, Prince Raj Samastipur and Chandan Singh Nawada ousted Chirag Jamui as their leader and replaced him with Paras. Over the last few years, two other prominent cases of party splitting followed by a tussle over the election symbol have been seen with regard to the Samajwadi Party and the AIADMK in 2017. How does the ECI decide who gets the symbol? Often the very identity of a party and its fundamental connection with voters when parties split. What are the election commission's power in a dispute over the election symbol when a party splits? On the question of a split in a political party outside the legislature, Para 15 of the Symbols Order 1968 states, when the Commission is satisfied that there are rival sections or groups of a recognized political party, each of whom claims to be that party, the Commission may, after taking into account all the available facts and circumstances of the case and hearing their representatives and other persons as desired to be heard, decide that one such rival section or group or none of such rival sections or groups is that recognized political party, and the decision of the Commission shall be binding on all such rival sections or groups. This applies to disputes in recognized national and state parties like the LJP in this case. For splits in registered but unrecognized party, the Election Commission usually advises the warring factions to resolve their differences internally or to approach the court. How did the Election Commission deal with such matters before the Symbols Order came into effect? Before 1968, the Election Commission issued notification and executive order under the Conduct of Election Rules 1961. The most high-profile split of a party before 1968 was that of the CPI in 1964. A breakaway group approached the ECI in December 1964, urging it to recognize them as the CPI Marxist. They provided a list of MPs and MLAs of Andhra Pradesh, Kerala and West Bengal who supported them. The ECI recognized the faction as CPI after it found that the votes secured by the MPs and MLAs supporting the breakaway group added up to more than 4% of the 3 states. What was the first case decided under Para 15 of the 1968 order? It was the first split in the Indian National Congress in 1969. Indira Gandhi's tension with a rival group within the party came to a head with the death of President Dr. Zakir Hussain on May 3, 1969. The Congress Old Guard led by K.K. Kamraj, Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy, S. Nilgappa and Ayush Ghosh, known as the Syndicate, nominated Reddy for the post. Indira, who was the Prime Minister, encouraged Vice President V.V. Giri to contest as an independent and called for conscience vote in defense of the whip issued by party president Neelam Gappa. After Giri won, Indira was expelled from the Congress and the party split into the old Congress led by Nijalingappa and new Congress led by Indira. The old Congress retained the party symbol of a pair of bullocks carrying a yoke. The breakaway faction was given the symbol of a cow with its calf. Is there a way other than the test of a majority to resolve a dispute over election symbols? In almost all disputes decided by the Election Commission, so far a clear majority of party delegates, office bearers, MPs and MLAs have supported one of the factions. Whenever the Election Commission could not test the strength of rival groups based on support within the party organization, it fell back on testing the majority only among the elected MPs and MLAs. Only in the case of the split of the AIA-DMK in 1987, which happened after the death of M.G. Ramachandran, the Election Commission was faced with a peculiar situation. The group led by MGR's wife Janaki had the support of the majority of MPs and MLAs, while J. Jayalalitha was supported by a substantial majority in the party organization. But before the Election Commission was forced to make a decision on which group should retain the party symbol, a rapprochement was reached. What happens to the group that doesn't get the parent's party symbol? In the case of the first Congress split, the Election Commission recognized both the Congress as well as a breakaway faction whose president was Jagjivan Ram. The Congress had a substantial presence in some states and satisfied the criteria fixed for recognition of parties under para 6 and 7 of the symbols order. This principle was followed up to 1997. However, things changed when the Commission dealt with the cases of splits in the Congress, Janata Dal, etc. Disputes which led to the creation of Shukram and Alil Sharma's Himachal Vikas Congress, Nimam Cha Singh's Manipur State Congress, Mamata Banerjee's West Bengal Trinamool Congress, Lalu Prasad RJD, Naveen Patnaik's Biju Janata Dal. The EC in 1997 did not recognize the new parties as either state or national party, but it felt that merely having MPs and MLAs is not enough, as the elected representative had fought and won polls on tickets of their parent parties. The Election Commission introduced a new rule under which the splinter group of the party, other than the group that got the party symbol, had to register itself as a separate party and could claim to national or state party status only on the basis of its performance in state or central elections after registration. Thank you.